To install the battery, put the top end in first, push the safety catch so the battery slips in past it, up into the down tube, and then turn the key to lock it into place. The opposite to remove it, turn the key to release, support the battery, press the safety catch up, and then drop the battery out of the down tube. The battery is held into the down tube with a key and a lock. When you put the key, turn the key, you can see the bolt that comes out to lock the battery into the down tube. Turning the key unlocks it and locks it. When it's unlocked, the key stays in the lock, and when it's locked, the key can be removed. So when unlocked, to put the battery in, there's also a safety catch at the bottom which stops the battery falling out if it's loose in the down tube. So it's important to push that when installing and removing the battery.